Hi everyone! In this video, we'll walk through how to create an element click goal in Zoho PageSense. Now let's see how to track element clicks in Zoho PageSense. To get started, go to the Track module. Here you'll find Goals. Click New Goal to create one. First, give your goal a name. For example, you can name it CTA Element Click. PageSense offers 4 types of goals for your experiment. From the list, choose Element Click, and then click Next. Now, enter the URL where the element is placed. You also have advanced options here, where you can target a specific URL, choose from multiple URL conditions, or exclude pages that you don't want to track. Once this is done, you'll be moved to the Elements to Track section. Here, you can enter the element ID you want to capture. Alternatively, you can use the Element Selector tool provided here to visually pick the element directly from the page. Any text, element, or CTA button can be effortlessly selected with the help of Element Selector. Also here, you'll see an option to use the Chrome extension. This is especially useful for SPA websites, or if the element is present beyond login page. The Chrome extension provides the same Element Selector experience in a separate browser tab, making it easier to capture dynamic elements. You can either click Next here, or go back to the previous tab, and you'll find the Interact mode, which allows you to interact with elements across pages, both inside the Chrome extension and directly on your site. And that's it. Now take a moment and review all the details you have configured. And that's it, ready to track. Thanks for watching. For more queries, reach out to the support team.